Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving deep into something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome, and yes, you heard that title right. This thing carries a price tag of $2 million. $2 million. So the question is it worth it? Let's find out together. Before we even get into the details, I just want you to take a moment and absorb what you're seeing. This is not just a motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. This is a moving mansion, a rolling piece of automotive art, and honestly one of the most jaw-dropping machines ever built on technically 6 wheels. Let's start from the outside and work our way in. When it comes to the exterior of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class, the design language is nothing short of futuristic. Prevost has gone all in on a blacked-out, two-tone finish that combines a deep obsidian black with what appears to be a dark champagne gold trim running along the body lines. The result is something that looks like it rolled off the set of a science fiction film rather than a factory floor. Every panel is smooth, every line is intentional, and the whole silhouette carries this aggressive yet elegant posture that you just don't see anywhere else in the motorhome world. The front fascia is dominated by a bold, sculpted grille flanked by sleek LED lighting strips that wrap around the nose. The Prevost logo sits dead center with almost a badge of honor presence. Moving down the sides, you'll notice the custom multi-axle setup. This coach sits on a triple rear axle configuration, giving it both the presence and the structural integrity to carry everything packed inside it. Those massive wheels are wrapped in wide-profile tires that add to the muscular stance of this beast. The coach also features an integrated side staircase that deploys when you open the entry door, and it illuminates with soft LED lighting underneath, a small touch, but one that screams luxury from the very first step you take. Around the back, the rear is just as dramatic. Dual exhausts exit cleanly, LED tail lamps stretch across the full width, and there's a clean diffuser-style lower trim that ties the whole look together. This thing commands attention whether it's parked or rolling down the highway at speed. Now let's step inside, because this is where the $2 million question really gets answered. The moment you walk through that door, you are no longer in a vehicle, you are in a penthouse suite. The interior of the 2026 Prevost Royal Class is built around a concept of absolute zero compromise. Prevost has worked with elite coach builders to deliver a living space that rivals 5-star hotel suites in every single category. Starting at the front, the driver's cockpit is fully digital, with wraparound displays, a premium leather command chair, and every driver assist technology you'd expect from the most modern vehicles on the market today: adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera systems, and full GPS integration with multiple screen displays. The driver doesn't just operate this coach, they command it. Moving into the main cabin, you're greeted by floor-to-ceiling custom cabinetry, hardwood flooring, and handcrafted furniture finished in premium leather and suede. The living area features a large retractable slide-out that expands the interior width significantly, giving you a genuine open-plan living room complete with a large flat-screen television, a fully stocked wet bar, and seating that would be at home in any luxury penthouse. The kitchen is a chef's kitchen, granite countertops, high-end appliances, a full refrigerator, and a dedicated prep space that makes cooking on the road feel completely natural. The bedroom suite at the rear is the crown jewel. A king-size bed sits at the center, with soft mood lighting running along the ceiling and custom headboard paneling that adds a boutique hotel feel. Storage is plentiful, the closet space is generous, and there's even a dedicated vanity area. The bathroom is equally impressive with a full-size shower, premium fixtures, and materials that belong in a luxury spa, not a motorhome. Throughout the coach, the technology integration is seamless. Smart home controls manage the lighting, climate, entertainment, and even the exterior awnings and slide-outs from a single tablet interface. Everything in this coach speaks to a buyer who refuses to give up any of the comforts of home, no matter where the road takes them. On the performance side, the 2026 Prevost Royal Class is powered by a Volvo D13 turbocharged diesel engine producing around 605 horsepower and a massive 2050 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an Allison fully automatic transmission that makes driving this 45-foot giant feel surprisingly composed and controlled. Air ride suspension keeps the ride incredibly smooth even on rougher surfaces, and the advanced chassis engineering means it handles beautifully for something of this scale. So what does all of this cost you? The 2026 Prevost Royal Class motorhome starts at approximately $1.8 to $2.2 million depending on the customization package you choose, and trust me, there are a lot of options. This is a bespoke vehicle built to your exact specification, and when you see the finished product, that price starts to make a lot more sense. If you want a vehicle that is truly in a class of its own, the 2026 Prevost Royal Class delivers on every single level. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you spend $2 million on this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.